Here's Lola in her new dress-up clothes. Lola, look at Mommy. These are dress-up clothes from her cousins Jack and Sam and Auntie Kirsty and Uncle John.
Hey Lola, say ta-da!
Lola, come here, watch.
Ta-da!
I don't know if you can see her. Oh, high heels. Oh. Lola, can you say hi? Lola, can you say hi?
Say hi Lola. Say how are you?
She lost her bracelets. Daddy will go help her.
Here you go. So pretty. Here you go. Say look at me. Say look at me. Say so pretty.
Say so pretty. Lola, can you say jingle bells, jingle bells? Can you say anything? Ooh, look at those pretty shoes. Okay, Lola, say bye-bye.